Hello everyone. So how to install ProWidget widgets on your iOS. So here's a app, iConsumer ProWidget. I just downloaded it and seems you can install this really well designed widgets. So either for date, for time, clock, calendar. You just have all these like really cool designs which can be hard to do yourself. And this is a free version. If you want some even more advanced designs, you just need to upgrade. You can select time format, and you can select either icons or widgets. So let's, for example, select this like clock widget. For example, I just like this one. Just tap on the widget, and then okay, so this one, it seems it's a paid version. Anyways, whatever, let's install this one, and then you can edit it. So you can edit theme, font, background, and then you can just tap set. And yeah, that's not the finish because the widget won't appear yet. So just tap on the plus icon, and then you can just tap ProWidget here, the way you add your widgets in the standard way. And then you can just select the size, and then you can just add the widget like that, and then just exit the jiggle mode. So that's the idea, and then you can just tap and hold, you can edit widget. Seems you can, but in reality you can't. Or maybe it's just Wi-Fi issues, whatever. And then to remove it, you can just tap remove, and then you can play again. So that's how you do it. Hope it is helpful for you guys.